Essay on free speech versus respect for others' opinion. Free speech is one of the most important human rights. It gives people the ability to share their ideas and beliefs without fear. Societies grow and improve when individuals are free to express their views. Without free speech, truth is often hidden and injustice increases. However, with every right comes responsibility. Free speech should never be used as an excuse to insult or harm others. Respecting different opinions is just as important as expressing our own. Listening with patience allows us to learn new things and understand people better. In today's world, especially on social media, free speech is often misused. Some people think they can say anything, even if it spreads hatred or disrespects others. This creates division and anger. True freedom of speech means sharing our views honestly, but also with kindness and respect. Therefore, free speech and respect for others' opinions must go hand in hand. One gives us the courage to speak, and the other teaches us humility to listen. Together, they build a peaceful and understanding society.